All right, what's up guys? So in this video, you're gonna see me swap all the parts from that cracked engine block into this engine block. But before we get started doing that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Living the Dream Garage. The guys over there hit me up after my last video and said they had an aluminum 5.3 block they wanted to sponsor the channel with. So I went down there and met with them. We talked for a couple of hours about cars and fabrication. So it was nice meeting them. I picked up this aluminum 5.3. It's a L83 Gen 5 LT. I look forward to learning more about this engine platform and possibly getting it swapped into the S10 in the future. On top of the YouTube channel, they have a cylinder head and fabrication shop in South Georgia. So reach out to them if you need anything down there. And now we will get into the video and I'll catch y'all back here at the end. All right, what's up? So working on getting this engine pulled apart today. I've gotten the passenger side head pulled off and the lifters out. I'm about to pull the driver side head and then I'm gonna get the balancer off. And once I do that, I'm gonna put that engine on the engine stand. I did spend a little bit of time cleaning up this block today. I ran a dingle ball home through the cylinders. So it came out pretty good. But yeah, I'll bring y'all back after I get this engine on the stand and then we can flip it over and take a look at the bottom end. All right, so kind of got carried away as I was disassembling the engine and didn't film much. The only thing I got left to remove is the crank, but I wanted to stop and show y'all the crack in the block. All the parts that I've removed from this engine so far, they look good. Cam looks good. All this stuff looks fine. So it's good enough for me. The plan is to remove the crank. Once I get it out, we can put the other engine right there in the bag on the stand and clean it up a little bit more. And then we can start putting all the parts back into that engine. Got the other block on the stand now. I'm working on getting the crank put in. So I wanted to stop for a second and give y'all an update. Everything looks good enough for me. So nothing wrong with the bearings. I'm going to get the crank put in and we should have a short block here in a few minutes. So I'll bring y'all back when I get there and give y'all another update. I got the crank and rods torqued down. I let them sit overnight and then came back and rechecked everything. Next, I'm going to install the cam, timing chain, and oil pump. And then I have to clean the heads up a little bit. I did pick up a set of ARP 2000 head studs. So I'm gonna work on completing the short block and then I will bring y'all back when I get ready to start working on the heads. The oil pan's on now, so the short block's pretty much sealed up. I'm in the process of cleaning the heads, so just use the razor blade and some brake clean on this one. About to do the same thing to this head, and then we can install the head studs, get the lifters in, copper spray the head gaskets, and torque the head down. So I'm going to finish cleaning the heads, and then I'll bring y'all back after I get the heads torqued down. I got the heads torqued down now. The long block is complete. I really do like these ARP 2000 head studs. I'm getting ready to install the front plate and the water pump, and then we can install the engine into the truck. Probably gonna take a little bit of time and tidy up anything in here. Nut and bolt, everything that's hard to get to with the engine in. And yeah, then we'll get ready to set the engine in and test fire it. So that'll be in the next video. Like I said in the beginning, huge shout out to Living the Dream Garage. If y'all would like, comment, subscribe, go check them guys out, and I'll catch y'all in the next video when we test fire this engine.